Okay, today's lesson I would like to start with a few questions, and today we will talk about the alphabet, English alphabet. And my first question is, how many letters there are in the alphabet? Who can tell me? Yes, Megan? 26, good job. So this is an easy question, right? So now a little bit harder. How many consonant letters we have in English alphabet? 20. You're almost there. 21. Good job. Yes, so we have 21 consonant letters in English alphabet. I'm pretty sure that you said 20 because sometimes letter Y, even though it's a consonant letter, sometimes it can be vowel in certain words. How many vowels there are in the alphabet? 5. Good job. Who can name those vowels? Yes, Mike. Try. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. Okay, so who can tell me, this is a really hard question, okay? How vowels are different from consonants? They sound harder, yes, that's true, but not exactly the answer I'm looking for. Yes, good job. So, unlike consonant letters, each of the vowel letters actually has more than one type of sound. So it can have a short and long sound, and sometimes it can be silent. Remember, we talked about silent E that is written in the end of the word and actually is silent. We don't pronounce that sound. So today we will talk about long and short vowels. So we have vowels that are long: A, E, I, O, and U. Those are actually the sounds, the actual names of those letters. And those are long sounds of those vowels. But we also have short ones. So for example, I have A, but I have A. I have E, but I have E. I have I, but I have E. I have O, but I have O. And I have U, but I have O. So those first column, the first column of sounds, they were long sounds, and then the second one, they were short sounds. So for example, if we are to take few words as examples. So long A sound is pronounced in ape, right? But then short A sound is pronounced in apple. Long E sound is pronounced in key, but then short A sound is pronounced in elephant. Long I sound is pronounced in ice cream, and short E sound is pronounced in igloo. Long O sound is pronounced in oak, and then short O sound is pronounced in ostrich. And then final, long U is pronounced in uniform or unicorn, and then short A sound is pronounced in umbrella. So today we actually will concentrate on long and short A vowel. So how to pronounce A as a long A sound and a short A sound. So pronunciation of vowels depends on its position in a word and the letters around it. So often we pronounce certain vowels long or short way depending on where that vowel actually stands in the word. So if the vowel is surrounded by consonants and there are no other vowels, usually we would pronounce it as a short A sound. And then if there are other vowels in the word, or if there is a silent E in the end of the word, then we for sure pronounce that A sound as a long A. So right now what I would like for us to do is I would like for us to watch a short video. It is a short and long A vowel sound on YouTube. So we are going to watch a video. You can all look on our screen. And this is a funny video about how we pronounce words with short A and long A, and how we actually can differentiate, how we can decide whether we need to pronounce short A or short A or long A sounds. Okay, so please let's take a look, and that's gonna take a couple of minutes for us to look through the video. Okay, good job. So I'm pretty sure you enjoyed this video. It shows long and short A sound in a very interesting way. So I would like for us to practice now recognizing these letters. So first of all, I would like for us to look at this website. So this is a website that we actually used before for our phonics. So first of all, we are talking about A sound today, right? So first of all, we're going to look at long A. So this is how we pronounce long A.
Long A.
Long A. So long A can be pronounced in the following words.
Ape. Lake. Gate.
And then we are talking today also about
Short A.
and we can actually read short A in the following words.
Apple. Axe. Sack.
Okay, so you can see on our screen, you can see the actual pictures of these letters, and you can actually see how they are pronounced and where they are standing. So is there something that you noticed? What pattern we actually have with long and short A? So did anyone notice certain patterns? Yes? Yeah, so long A usually is standing as the second letter in the word, right? It is surrounded by consonant letters, but then in the end of the word, we often have silent E, right? Okay, and then for short A, what did you notice? So short A often stands alone between two consonant letters, right? Or it is surrounded by more than two consonant letters, right? Or sometimes, like in the word apple, we have short A, and then we have three consonant letters. And even though there is silent E in the end, it kind of disappears because of those three massive consonant letters. So what I would like for us to do right now, we are going to practice pronouncing long A and short A by pronouncing the following words on the board. So I would like for you to look at our whiteboard, and I actually have 10 words there. So it's apple, ape, cape, bad, sad, lake, gate, axe, sack, and bake. So I would like first of all for you to identify each word and see if it is a long or short A that is pronounced in those words. And then I would like for you to put them into separate columns with a short A for the first column and a long A for the second column. And then we will practice pronouncing those working together with your partner. And I will actually come to every group and I will check to make sure that you are pronouncing short A sound and long A sound in the correct way. Okay, and after that we actually will have a reading assignment that will help us to identify those sounds as short or long, and then to pronounce it and to keep practicing. Okay.